Yo, what's up, Duff here? I just wanted to give, and this is from a perspective of, from me, who has been relatively new in the Bambu lab universe. I've been involved with 3D printing for a long time, but for a period of like 3 or 4 years, I really hadn't dipped my toe into anything new. So I've been playing with my Bambu Lab A1, and I just wanted to show how to pull in models. And if you're an experienced Bambu user, this is elementary to you, but to someone new, it would not be. So how to pull in models into Bambu Studio and get them to print as you would want them to print. So right now I have Makerworld open, which is the Bambu site that has all kinds of cool multicolor models that are printable on the Bambu Lab series of printers. I just picked up this random print here, pumpkin gear fidget toy. So what you'll see here on the right, it has different print profiles. So you would want to print, or you'd want to select the profile for your printer. I have an A1, so I would do that. And you can pick a certain variations of the profile as well. There's a standard sturdy profile, and there's a more detailed profile as well. I'm just going to do the standard sturdy for the standard sturdy. For the sake of this demonstration. You're going to open it in Bambu Studio. You can just open it directly in Bambu Studio. Open in Bambu Studio. So this should open up Bambu Studio for you. It's going to download the project. This project is multiple parts. So basically here is where you would be able to select the color for these parts. Now you'll see here on the left hand side, first of all you want to make sure that you pick the right printer. This is not the right printer, right? I have a Bambu Lab A1 with a 0.4 nozzle. It'll ask you if you want to use modified values. You normally do want to use the modified values that are correct for your printer. Over here on the left, you have an option between with your processes, global, which allows you to set a bunch of advanced settings. I actually have advanced settings turned on here. If you turn that off, you wouldn't see all this, but I have it turned on. But if you want to just change the color of the printed parts that you see here, you go to Objects. And you also need to have Bambu Labs sync up with your AMS so it knows what colors it's dealing with, okay? Because like right now it thinks that I have orange and green, right? Which I don't. So if you hit this button here and you say, okay, I want to sync with what my AMS has. Okay, now it has all of the colors that I have loaded in my AMS, which is white, black, PLA metal, and this is like a deep red sort of, okay? So this is where you would change the colors of things. So you can go to each individual object here, and if you right click on it, one of your options is to change the filament. Okay, so say I don't want that part to print in white, I want that part to print in red. Okay, and this part here, you can see it highlights here on the panel. I want to print that in, I'm going to change the filament type, I'm going to print that one in black. So that is the way that you can go in and change the filament colors to whatever you want and whatever matches with what you have loaded on your AMS. If you don't do this, you're going to get results that may surprise you. So you want to make sure that you go in here and you set your colors of your different devices or your different parts to what you want them to be. So like I said, we want to change, what's this one? Body, what is this? I think it's probably on the other page. Or no, it's not. What is this? It is. Yeah, this print actually has multiple plates. Yeah, which I'm not. There you go. Multiple plates. There's two different plates of parts here. So this is the second plate. So I could change the colors over there as well. But we're going to just worry about this first plate. And like I said, this is right here is identified plate 1, plate 2. If something has multiple parts, it will break it into multiple plates. So I wanted to change this color. You can either click it here or you can just click it on the build plate. Okay, I want to change that color. I'm going to make that one print and change the filament to red. And then from that point, you would just slice the plate. And then you, now I have a printer right now, so I'm not going to actually send it. And then you would print the plate. Now you would go here and say, okay, print. It says right here the printer is already busy with another print job. So yeah, that is how you would print something from Makerworld. Okay, so I'm going to back out of here. I'm going to close this, and now I just want to show you quickly. Now we don't need to save this because I'm not going to print this actually. The other site that I've been using for a lot of my prints is STLFlix. I'm a member of STLFlix. I just want to show you, it's similar with STLFlix, what you do. I want to access the library. STLFlix is a subscription service, but they have a lot of really cool models. I've printed a bunch of them on here. Like I've just printed this one not too long ago. So let's look at the bear, and let's say we want to do this floral bear. So again, it opens up here, and what you want to do is hit this drop down and you say open in Bambu Studio. So again, this is going to fire up Bambu Studio. It's going to import it in, and there is the bear. So again, you'll see that the colors, again, they need to be synced up. So I'm going to sync with the AMS. So now I have the colors that I actually have available. And for this one, okay, I don't want the roses to be white, and I don't want the mouth to be red. So we're going to go to the objects, and we're going to click his mouth. I'm going to make his mouth white. We want that white. The glare, that's also his it's like the little shine in his eyes. We want that white. But his body, we want that to be something different. Like we will say that we want that to be that deep red. Okay. So there, I've synced up the colors. It now matches what I have loaded in the AMS. And once again, you would slice it and then print it. And that's all you got to do. The process is much simpler than I've been accustomed to. I don't have to shuffle SD cards around. You know, I've been in the Prusa workspace for a long time. My first Bambu Labs printer, but I am very, very excited about what the Bambu allows me to do, and it's easy. It's not hard. It really is not hard. So, hopefully, you found this helpful. Again, this is targeted to someone that's new to the Bambu workspace like me. You know, that's all. Hopefully, it helps you. If it does, think about giving the video a big thumbs up. And all that other spiel, I don't feel like talking about that right now. So that's all I got. Till next time, Duffman out.